Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic mole concept. So firstly we should know the meaning of mole. So what is mole? A mole is defined as that amount of substance which contains Avogadro's number of atoms if the substance is atomic, or Avogadro's number of molecule if the substance is molecular. Means in simple term, a mole is defined as that amount of substance which contains Avogadro's number of entities. So, a mole is defined as that amount of substance is defined as that amount of substance which contains Avogadro's number of entities, which contains Avogadro's number of entities. These entities can be atom, molecule, ions, formula mass units, etc. So these can be atoms, molecules, ions, etc. So what is Avogadro's number? If we talk about Avogadro's number, it is represented by Na and its value is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This is our Avogadro's number. So if we say that we have 1 mole of carbon atom, 1 mole of carbon atom means we have here, this is carbon in atomic form, we have 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon. So similarly we can have 1 mole of oxygen molecule. If we see that way, we have 1 mole of oxygen molecule. So it will have total 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of oxygen. This will have molecules of oxygen. Oxygen molecule form means we have O2. So if it has 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, then it will have 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen, because one molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen. So it will have 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 into 2 atoms of oxygen. In case of gases, this mole is defined as that amount of gas which has a volume of 22.4 liters at STP. So we can write the formula for calculating moles. Here N represent moles, so N can be given mass divided by molar mass or atomic mass. Then it can also be equals to total number of entities, divided by Avogadro's number. And if we have gaseous phase reaction or gaseous phase substance, then N will be equals to volume at STP divided by 22.4 liter, and this volume at STP should be in liters. So this is all about the mole concept. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.